Now, this window on my left is the teacher's perspective, and this window on my right is the student's perspective. Now, let's try to see and navigate how this peer deck will appear and can be used by our student. So, for the first slide, it says here, students will be able to drag the icon to give her answer for the question, how was the homework assignment? So let's try doing that. So the student can just simply drag this icon, thumbs up or thumbs down. So for example, she picked thumbs down. So there. We can also try. Okay, so here for teachers' perspective, there are 5 students who were able to join. However, there were only 3 who answered. That is possible because sometimes students are not really, participating here, or perhaps the students has poor or unstable connection, or perhaps the student just copied this link to more tabs, so it will appear to have more students here. So there. So you have 3 responses out of 5 who joined the Peer Deck link. Now, if you want to know the answers of your students, you will just simply click this. So you will just click this icon to know the responses of your students. So as you can see, there are 2 students who chose thumbs up and 1 who chose thumbs down. Now, if you want to show this to your students in virtual meeting, you can just simply present this tab to them. How? Simply click present now, then select a tab. Then be sure to choose this presentation session. Once you present it, they will be they will know the answers of their classmates. But if you just presented the question and there are still students who were not able to answer, do not click on show responses. You have to make sure that all of them or most of them were able to respond in this question. Next, let's try to see another slide. So for example, for this slide, they are asked to choose between true or false. So the student can just select between this question. So she will just click on answer question and then select her choice. For example, she wants true. So there, you will see that there are again 3 students who were able to respond to the question. If you want to show it to your students, simply click on this. So there, you will know right away how many students answered true and how many answered